Here is a case of en bloc resection of large bladder tumor video with thulium fiber laser. 55 years male patient complaining of hematuria for 15 days, ultrasound 5.5 into 5 centimeter growth from right lateral wall close to the ureteric orifice as well as the occupying anterior wall also. So usually TURBT is the gold standard. This is the tumor in CT picture. When we went to cystoscopic, it was such a large tumor with a broad base. This is a cystoscopic view. We thought initially we will do TURBT only, but after doing certain cases, we thought we will attempt whether we can do in such large tumor or not. This is the coagulation effect, which is very obvious with 0.15 and 200 Hz. No bleeding at all. All around the tumor we marked like this, so that some amount of the vascularity of the tumor can be reduced. Then in inferior part of the tumor, which is easily approachable, we raised like flap in a distended bladder without the fear of obturator jerk. Half of the circle is raised so nicely, the bladder muscle detrusor fibers are seen in the half on either side. In fact, during this process we have taken a broad base. Some literature recommending that you can do TURBT of the superficial tumor. Later you can do this. Now at this stage we were worried about the superior part. Here some more vessels all around which are approachable without tilting the. Now we have tilted. Now the 30-degree camera is showing up. This is not non-tilted, where the laser fiber is coming at the below. As much as possible we did like this, lifted. Now we are making the superior part intermittently. After doing certain thing, it was essential, like in enucleation of the prostate, the anterior part of the, see, almost we are very clear that the tumor is not seen beyond this point, and muscle fibers are very clearly seen. Even if you go outside, it will be 0.4 mm. You will get a clear muscle margin unless it is going outside the muscle. Here, this is the what we wanted to show. Superiorly, only one bleeder was there. After it is coagulated, entire surgery was bloodless. That is a major advantage. Distended bladder, the plane comes very well, and no risk of obturator jerk. See, almost entire tumor is separated from the detrusor muscle. This is the superior part where the laser fiber looks up, like in enucleation of the anterior. Now we could come back to the end circle. This is the small attachment now, almost detached with good amount of the mucosa surrounding. The only controversy is how we will remove this tumor. You have to resect anyway with the TUR loop. This is the finishing part. We have gone very deep, taking care that the muscle is completely included. In our past experience, most of the cases we got the good muscle to comment by the pathologist. In this case, we got the pathology report also, showed detrusor mud adequate, but invasion is only up to the lamina propria. So relook TURBT can be avoided if you get a proper report. And this is the tumor base. We are coagulating the tumor base. This is the last part of the attachment. It takes little time, but absolutely bloodless, because the coagulation effect of the tumor, the laser is very good. Large tumor, 5.5 centimeter involving the anterior wall. That means it can be approached by tilting the 30-degree camera up and using the laser fiber in the superior aspect. That was the one which we tried here and succeeded. And you can keep this is the almost, we were thinking whether to detach and do, attach and do. With little attachment we have done, but it immediately got detached. Definitely if you leave small piece, it gets detached, and we don't have an option other than the TUR loop. Now this is the base which is present, and this is the ureteric orifice. This is the ureteric orifice. These are the large chunks, and the histopathology report has shown that the muscle is present but not invaded. Thought of sharing the video how en bloc resection with thulium fiber laser can be done without bleeding. Thank you.